Masoor Biryani isn't an ancient royal recipe. It's a modern, wholesome twist on a timeless classic. Rooted in the rich biryani tradition shaped by Persian and Indian culinary influences over centuries, this version replaces meat with protein-rich whole Masoor lentils. India is home to countless biryani varieties, but have you tried Masoor Biryani yet? If not, today is the day. Start by washing your Masoor dal really well and soaking it. Overnight is best. Do the same with your fragrant biryani rice because honestly, without the right rice, can we even call it biryani? Overnight is best. Now pressure cook the Masoor dal with a pinch of salt. The trick is to keep it cooked yet intact, not mushy. Drain and set aside. Next, in a large pot of boiling water, add whole spices like bay leaves, black cardamom, cinnamon and few green chilies too. Then add your soaked rice. Cook until the rice is a little soft, drain and set aside. Whisk curd with turmeric, cumin, red chili powder and garam masala. This mix will add richness and depth. In a heavy bottomed pot, heat oil and add bay leaves, cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamons, star anise, and green cardamom. Toss in sliced onions and fry till golden. Then add ginger garlic paste, once the potatoes soak up some flavor, add tomato puree, and spiced curd mix. And a couple of green chilies. Let it bubble away before adding salt and cooked masoor dal. Stir well so the dal drinks up all those spices. Now comes the fun part, layering. Add the dal mix back on top and layer it with more rice. Cover it tight and let the magic of dum bring it all together. And that's it. A fragrant, hearty Masoor Dal biryani that feels festive and comforting. So serve it hot with some bundi raita and you've got yourself a weekend feast.
And that's our delicious Masoor Dal biryani ready to be served. Every grain of rice is perfectly fluffy, infused with aromatic spices and combined with the wholesome goodness of Masoor Dal. It's a simple, flavorful and satisfying one-pot meal that's perfect for lunch, dinner or special family gatherings. Serve it hot with chilled raita, fresh salad or your favorite pickle for a complete meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious homemade recipes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!